Welcome to the life of a case manager, the most rewarding job I have ever had.
Being a case manager is rewarding overall because we get to just make sure the individual population that we serve, that their needs and wants are being met, as well as allowing them to practice individual choice and just explore different opportunities that they may not have had.
Basically, what I do for them is if there are needs that they have or things that I know that they could benefit from, even if they don't realize that they may need it themselves, I do what I need to do to put those things in place. And it could be anything from something simple to something serious.
Right now, we're headed over to see one of my individuals, and he has some arc modifications that we're going to look at. We currently just widen his doors and put in his lift system because he requires a wheelchair 24/7.
Being able to serve the population that we serve at DDS has been an absolute blessing in my life, and I think almost everybody that I work with feels the same way.
They may think that I'm a blessing to them, but they're a blessing to me.
Where do you want to go? You want to go for a car ride?
It's rewarding, it's inspiring. I think it just helps me sleep better at night, just knowing that I have the ability to just help make somebody's overall day and overall life a little better.
We love it, it's very rewarding, and we hope that you will join us and you will love it too.